Hello guys, hope all of you are doing well. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Guys, in this session I'm going to talk about uh, how to calculate the steel quantity for the slab reinforcement calculation, types of slab, one-way, two-way slab, with all calculation parts. Guys, let's jump on it. One-way slab. How to define one-way slab? If this is a one-way slab, this is ly and this is lx ly. What is one-way slab? If ly divided by lx is greater than 2, then it is one-way slab. If the ratio of ly long length divided by short length, this is words. If the ratio is greater than 2, this is one-way slab, guys. Simple. If the ratio of ly divided by lx is less than 2, it is two-way slab. Simple. Guys, don't worry, guys. I will link this all notes, this file in the description of the video. You can download it and read with yourself. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Guys, I really need your support. It will motivate me, encourage me to make a better videos than this. Guys, slab reinforcement calculation, one-way slab reinforcement detailings. The biggest guys, this is our one-way slab diagram. This is long length we call ly, and this is a words shorter length is lx. This is the slab, this is the beam. The slab obviously rests on the beam. Two sides is the beam, or maybe four sides beam, and this beam transfer the load on the column, and column transfer the load to the footings and foundation. Guys, this is the basic things. Guys, this is our slab, one-way slab details. We'll see. Guys, this is slab dimension 2000 millimeter words, and length is 5000 millimeter. If we divide 5000 divide by 2000, the ratio is 2.5. It is greater than 2, then it is called as one-way slab. Simple word. Guys, you see this this 8 millimeter at 150 center to center. This is the spacing of bars with diameter of 8 millimeter. This is 12 millimeter at 150 millimeter center to center. Guys, this is the main bar, and these are the distribution bar with dimension and size you can see. Guys, this is L by 4. This bent up 135 degree. This is L by 4, the formula L by 4. Guys, you can see this is the section AA. If we cut the slab from this direction, we can see this direction. Guys, this is section A. What it looks like this section AA. If we cut this from this direction, then something like this will appear. This is LD. The shape is like this, and if we cut from this lengthwise, we can see this details, this portion. Section BB, this is in this part we see the distribution bars. This 8 millimeter one at 150 center to center. 12 mm bar. You see this bars are 150 center to center, guys. This we consider for 150 millimeter thickness, guys. Something is given data here. One main bar are 12 millimeter in diameter and 150 millimeter center to center spacing. This is the spacing. And distribution bar are bars are 8 millimeter in diameter at 150 millimeter center to center spacing, guys. Clear? Top and bottom clear cover is 25 millimeter, guys. For the designing of the slab, once the drawing is ready, we decide all these given parameters, and if not given, we can assume the same dimensions, same numbers. Consider development length is 40D. 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 D is the diameter. Thickness of slab is 150, guys. In the previous video, I talked about general details on the slab. We saw that the minimum thickness of slab is 100 millimeter, and this RCC slab, the thickness is considered 150 millimeter or 15 centimeter. Guys, in a one-way slab bending schedule calculation is as this. Step 1. First, find the number of rods required for main reinforcement and distribution. This is clear, guy. And first step, the number of bars formula. For the number of bars, this is the formula. A length of slab in this case is 5,000. Length of slab divided by spacing. We decided spacing into 150 millimeter. Divide by spacing plus 1. This is the formula for number of bars, guys. Number of main bars. This is the formula, and I'll also put the values for calculation. Number of main bars. Ly divide by spacing plus 1. Ly is 5,000, spacing is 150, plus 1 is in formula. It becomes 35 numbers. Number of distribution bars is equal to Lx. Lx divide by spacing plus 1. Lx is 2000 divided by 150 plus 1. Number of distribution, guys. This is distribution bar. This is main bar. Number of distribution bar. If we take this distribution, number of this distribution bar, then 2000 plus is divide by spacing plus 1. The number of distribution bar is 14. Number of main bar is 34. Guys, on step number 2, find the cutting length of main bar and distribution bars. These are very logic and simple, guys. Just follow the steps and clear your concept and design in this figure. This is easy, guys. Cutting length. This is Lx. This is our Lx. The width of the slab, we consider the some section here. Lx. This we consider, and this is the slab, the thickness 150. This is clear cover 25 millimeter. Incline length is this is LD, development length, guys. Here cutting length of main bar is equal to clear span of the slab, which is Lx. For the main bar, cutting length of main bar, clear span of the slab LX plus 2 into development length plus 1 into inclined length minus 45-degree bend into 2. Guys, this is the formula. We just compute the values and we'll get calculation result. Crank length is equal to 0.42d. We have already discussed on the cutting length. Guys, 2000 plus, we just put the values simply. 2000 plus 2 into 40 plus 12 in this formula plus 1 into 0.42. We just put the development length. Development length is 0.42d. D is the thickness plus 1 into d. Just compute all these values here. D is the slab thickness minus 2 side clear cover minus diameter of bar. We just put the values. This is length of main bars. This is the length of main bars. This step 3, find the length of distribution bar. Distribution bar formula, clear span Ly plus 2 times development length LD is equal to 5000 plus 2 times 4 into 8. That is equal to 5.64 meters, the distribution bar length. Guys, step number 4, find top bar extra. Top bar are provided at the top of critical length L by 4, where area refers to a drawing section AA. Number of top bars L x by 4 spacing plus 1 is equal to 2000 divided by 4 divided by 150 plus 1. 4 numbers into 2 side equal to 8 numbers. Length of top bars L same as distribution bar 5.64. Bending schedule for the one-way slab. Guys, this was for all about the one-way slab, but this is calculation on the two-way slab reinforcement detailing. Same almost same procedure for this. Now calculate the bar bending schedule for the two-way slab. Let's take example below two-way slab diagram. Guys, how we come to know this is the two-way slab? We have, as per this definition, the Ly divided by Lx smaller than 2. In this case, this is the two-way slab. We just put the value. Ly is 4000, Lx is 3000, divided by 4000 divided by 3000, it is less than 2. Now it is the two-way slab. Guys, again, this is the distribution bar 8 millimeter at 150 center to center. This is L by 4, this portion. This is the main bars 12 mm at 150 center to center. This is the section BB, and this is the section AA. If we cut this portion, we can observe this side. This looks like this. And for B, section B, we cut the section and we see this direction. It looks like this, guys. This is the slab thickness is 150 main bars. This is distribution bars, guys. Main bars and distribution bars. This is LD. Main bars are 12 millimeter in diameter and 150 meters center to center. This is the given data. Distribution bars are 8 millimeter in diameter at 150 center to center spacing. Top and bottom clear cover 25 millimeter. Development length is 40d. These all are given data. Guys, thickness of slab is 150. We know this. One-way slab bar bending schedule calculation. This is for the two-way. Guys, some mistake here. This is two-way slab bar bending schedule calculation. Step 1. First, find the number of the rods required for the main reinforcement distribution. Same procedure as the one-way. Number of required bars formula is L, length of bar, length of slab divided by spacing plus 1. Number of main bars is Ly divided by spacing plus 1. We put the values and 25 numbers. Number of main bars. Number of distribution bar Lx divided by spacing plus 1, 3000 divided by 150. Then after calculation, 25 numbers of distribution bar. Step number 2, find the cutting length of the main bars and distribution bar by considering this diagram. This is Lx, this is Ly, thickness is 150, slab thickness, this is Ld, this is slab thickness, this is inclined length, this is the clear cover, 25 millimeter the concrete cover. Guys, cutting length of main bars, clear span of slab Ly plus 1, development length plus 1, inclined length minus 45 degree, bent into 2. Inclined length is 0.42 d, 3000 plus 1 into 40 is into 12 plus 1 into 0.42 into d minus 1 d plus into d. Guys, 3000 plus 480, putting the values. This slab thickness minus 2 clear cover minus diameter of bars. After all calculation, length of main bars is 3.94. We cut the reverse in 3 meters 49 meters. Guys, step number 2, find calculating length of the distribution bar. Clear span of the slab Ly plus 1 into development length plus 1, inclined length minus 45 degree bend into 2, inclined length equal to 0.42 d. After putting all values, then the values is 4.34 meter. Step number 4, find top bar. Extra top bars are provided at the top of the critical length Ly by 4. Area refers the drawing section AA. Number of bars on Ly side Lx divided by 5 is spacing plus 1, 5 numbers. Guys, length of the top bars on an Ly side, clear span of slab Ly plus 2 into development length. After putting all values, the number of top bars on Lx side is 6 numbers. Guys, simple, just follow the steps, you will get the result. Length of top bars on Ly side, clear span of slab Ly plus 2 times development length. Putting all values, the values comes up 3.96 meters. Bar bending schedule for the two-way slab. Guys, this was all about slab bar bending schedule calculation. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Guys, thank you, have a nice time. Bye bye.